Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, we are going to go and be talking about how to get started with connecting your Teespring to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick in this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify store right here at shopify.com. This is going to enable you to log into your account. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account. That's going to open up this main menu where your store is, where you can see all the options we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started connecting Teespring with your Shopify store. What we're going to look for, guys, is right here under the apps. We're going to click the add apps option. This is going to open up this menu of all the apps we can access, and that are the most used apps. And if you scroll down, you can see there is an option that says Shopify App Store. So we're going to open up the Shopify App Store by clicking this option right here. This is going to open up the App Store right here. And now we can get started with finding any app we want to use. So basically guys, for a lot of your integrations with different stores and similarly, you're going to be using the app store option right here. So you're going to search for a lot of options, and basically guys, if you search for Teespring, you can see that there is currently no app for importing your Teespring into your Shopify store. This is because Teespring has still not made an official app that's going to enable you to sync your Teespring with Shopify. So you have to find workarounds. Basically guys, the best option I have found that's going to enable you to automate your flow is the Zapier app. So you can use the Zapier app, and you can use the Zapier app for making your zaps and automating your workflow. So you can connect your Zapier to your Teespring and then integrate that options and that info into your Shopify store. So go ahead and install this application and get started playing around with it to see how it works and if it's going to help you. But basically guys, besides that, you do not have any other options because it has still not been released. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.